Tuscan Trotter American Brasserie.
Yeah, specialized.
Spicy margarita. Got some duck wings. What the hell are those?
Arkansas fritters.
Arkansas fritters. Exciting. This place is gonna be bomb. Look at that. Oh yeah, take it off. Got the full send margarita, full send. The most scenic walk. Stick horse.
To select a message, please press a button.
And Annie?
So weird. It's not working very well.
No, I'm censored. Coleman, typical.
Nope.
The art trail allows.
Look how big that waterfall is. Whew. Holy shit. Piggy.
Oh, 3. Look at that one.
Got a deer across the way. Huh.
Baby ones.
Yeah, that's what I saw the other day.
Oh, baby.
4. I wonder if that's that house.
I know.
Man, Bentonville is so cool. Bunch of little waterfalls and bridges and streams everywhere. Isn't that right, Benji? You hate water, don't you? It's a cool house. Oh yeah, it's Bachman Wilson house.
Yeah, that's the...
Okay. So I guess that's the Frank Lloyd Wright house. The Crystal Bridges Museum. Dale Chihuly. I'm blind in one eye. So beautiful and quiet. Stonehenge. A place where they cried. What a weird name. Quartz crystals. Arkansas treasure. Ah. Shiny. What?
You could do that.
Yeah.
Dyed wood.
Yeah, it's a little bit more than that. Mindy, is that a dog over there?
Oh, there's a dog water fountain.
Is that a dog over there? There's a dog.
Oh. Is that a doggy?
There's All American in the background. Sassy the Sasquatch.
Good girl. You're being too brave.
Biggest damn turtle I've ever seen. What do you think, Bindi? She's not a fan of the turtle.
Don't trust it.
Don't trust that turtle. Oh shit, there's a grasshopper in that tree.
I know, it's right.
Ooh, Wright's barbecue in between rides. Good times. Getting them medals.
Get it, Helen.
Get it, Helen?
Get it, Helen. You can do your mountain biking stuff.
Where's the chain?
Instead.
Whoa!
I don't want to have a co-pilot. He said, if I have a co-pilot there, I will let him fly, and then I can.
At least Sam Walton had some taste. F-150. We're looking at art. Classy people today. We tour all the museums everywhere we go. We're people of culture. Oh, Rosie, you're an inspiration to women everywhere.
Isn't that all art? Oh my gosh.
It's
Very disturbing to have in the home.
Oh, there's a massive cock. How does this picture make you feel?
Uneasy.
Yes. It seems as if someone is watching me, but I can't see them.
This is the proportions of the doorways and
They call it the wood wall. Beanie, what are you freaking out about, man? She just went to the bathroom. It's funny that we're just as close to Missouri State Park as we are to an Arkansas State Park where we're staying. Just right on that border. It's super clear. No pollution. Ooh, pretty. Whoa. Good diving. Cliff diving. Woo. There's an armadillo in the distance.
Dilla in the distance.
Oh, cutie. Oh.
What armadillo?
There's another armadillo.
Oh, that's just another
Just
restaurant.
hanging out. What is it, girl? What do your elf nose smell? This is definitely an interesting hike, that's for sure. It's very au natural. Okay, I'm not gonna keep stopping. Tomb Raider. Look at this. Straight balancing. On trees. Whoa. All right.
Pretty good pine down there.
Down where? It was wiggly.
Ashton Croft.
Do, 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 do. Benny's digging the creek. Seriously though. Either those trees grew around it or they put it out here as kind of like a little